Hey there. I am working on my 1976 Mustang gas tank. I had to pull it to replace the cinder unit. Seems like it went bad, and I figured while I got it out, I was going to clean it up and hopefully get it painted and primed and all that kind of good stuff and reinstalled back into my 76. So, anyways, thought you might want to watch. Had that rubberized coating, but it also had a lot of rust on it still on the outside. The inside looks pretty good. Um, so my goal is to get all that stuff off, prime it, and paint it just a flat black again. I live in Central California area, and we have pretty mild winters, pretty easy summers, no salt, anything like that. So it's not going to go crazy on the undercoating. Had to find my earplugs. I'm using a Harbor Freight 4.5-inch angle grinder with a wire brush on it. And again, I'm no expert on this, so there's probably better ways of doing this, but this is the tools I have, the knowledge I have, and so I'm going to go for it. Enjoy. So as you can see, this is the tank. You can see part of how far I've gotten so far with all this. It's not perfect still. You can see too where I think, sorry, this lighting's not so great. You can see some of these lips are bent. There's a little bit of a dent right there. But overall, it's in pretty good shape. So I hope to continue getting this cleaned up. But this probably is the most exciting thing to watch, seeing the poor lighting, my messy shop, and me just grinding. So part of my plan is, in the past I've not been so great. Whoa, that's a really bright light. You guys don't want to see. I've not been the greatest at doing a good job when I work on something. So one of my goals in doing this is kind of holding myself to a higher standard of building quality and taking the time to do stuff the right way the first time. And so with my Mustang project, that's something, I have a 6-year-old son who I want to start teaching some of this stuff, and I want him to learn from the get-go to do things the right way the first time. So yeah, that's where we're at. It's going to be slow, going to be unexciting, but should be fun. So as much as you guys are interested, I'll bring you along. And again, there's the Mustang out there. Pretty humble shop I have here. And yeah, one of the things I got to do once I get this going is get the carburetor tuned, which is also something that's not my forte. Never been able to feel like confidently do that, but here's to learning. So anyways, signing off. Have a good one. This is Red Ranger 4.0. See you later.